Hi, this is Mike. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix these door strikers. I'm going to show you what to do if you have a stripped out screw or somebody's been messing around with one of these and they put the screws in the wrong spot and you need to change the location. On the door I'm working on, someone installed this striker too far forward and the door couldn't latch. And the top hole had two screws holes in there, neither one I could use, so there was no wood to put a new screw. And I'll show you how to fix that and also show you how to adjust these. These are actually adjustable. So let's get started. Okay, in this bottom hole, I'm going to take some wood glue and toothpicks. I got 3 of them here. And I'm going to glue them into the bottom hole. A golf tee will work better with the size of hole. And then we'll trim them flush. Just cut them off with some wire cutters. And the top, I already did. So I'm just gonna, this is dry, so I'm just gonna trim off the end of the toothpicks so that it's flush with the jam. Okay, now I want to mark the spot for the top hole because there's a hole here on the right, another one on the left. I need to go in the middle of both of them. So I'm going to take a punch just to get a flat spot so I can drill a new pilot hole. Make sure you drill a pilot hole or else you'll split the jam. Using a 3/32 drill bit. Bottom hole, I'm not going to drill a pilot hole. I'm just going to set it into the wet glue. You can do that. And this method will work for stripped out screw holes on door hinges. Once this dries up, the screw will hold nice and tight. Alright, this goes nice. Alright, let's see if the door can latch now. Yep, now it can latch. Just needs a little bit of adjustment. And if you see here, there's a spot that you can stick a screwdriver in there and bend this tab out. You can just bend this out and that'll tighten it up so it's not so loose. A little bit more. A little bit more. And that's good. That's a real easy fix. All right, thanks for watching.